First, we'll remove the printer cover with a flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the printer paper roll and pull it out. Grab your new roll and unroll it some. It's best to have a straight edge, so we recommend cutting the end off with scissors. The proper way to install the roll back in is to have the paper feed through the bottom, not the top. Re-insert the holder and drop the paper into the chamber. Now we need to feed the paper into the printer. With the Smart System 5 turned on, from the main menu, hit 5 for print, and on the second arrow from the left, hit this button to feed the paper through while simultaneously guiding the paper through. Finally, install the printer cover.
Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.